I have 21 ways for you to eat a bit healthier.
The Rocking Al Show.
Number 1. Wrap your food in lettuce leaves instead of tortillas. Number 2. Replace mayo with mashed avocado in your sandwiches. Number 3. When bacon, swap Greek yogurt for oil. Number 4. Replace rice with cauliflower rice. Number 5. If you're craving pizza but want a healthier version, try making a cauliflower crust. Number 6. And because cauliflower is one of the most versatile vegetables, you can also replace the potato in your potato salad with it. Number 7. Or make mashed cauliflower instead of mashed potatoes. Number 8. Sweeten your treats with dates instead of sugar. Number 9. Cover your pancakes with fruit compost instead of syrup. Number 10. Use a portobello mushroom instead of a bun for your hamburgers. Number 11. Replace pasta with eggplant in your lasagna. Number 12. Forget French fries and make zucchini fries instead. Number 13. Use applesauce instead of sugar when you're baking. 14. Tater tots are the best, but try broccoli tots if you want an awesome alternative. Number 15. Replace sour cream with plain Greek yogurt in your dips. Number 16. Use whole wheat flour instead of white flour in your pancakes. Number 17. Or make paleo banana pancakes with only 2 ingredients. Number 18. Cover your food with nutritional yeast instead of cheese. Number 19. Upgrade your dinner game and replace traditional pasta with spiralized zucchini. Number 20. Or swap the pasta for spaghetti squash. And 21. Avoid dairy and make a killer banana peanut butter ice cream. The Rocking Al Show.